Hey guys, welcome back to Power Tool Week in Review. I'm Rob. We have breaking tool news. Milwaukee, in their drive to bring more manufacturing to these United States, has just bought 22 acres for a new factory for $1. The city of West Bend, Wisconsin announced the closing of a deal with Milwaukee Tool for 22 of the 215 acres in the West Bend Manufacturing Center for only $1. Of course, that comes with a couple strings. Mainly, Milwaukee commits to build a new 94,700 square foot manufacturing facility valued at a minimum of $10 million. They say the factory will specifically be used to manufacture hand tools for professional electricians, plumbing and mechanical trades, and utility linemen. They expect the facility to produce 50 full-time jobs in the first 3 years and 100 by 2025, which is great news for West Bend and fans of tools made in the USA. But these are only their initial plans. The 94,000 square foot facility could eventually expand to 185,000 square feet in the future. To facilitate such growth, Milwaukee has the first right of refusal to purchase an additional 20 acres for future expansion. This will be Milwaukee's 6th manufacturing and distribution operation in the nation, following Greenwood, Olive Branch, and Jackson, Mississippi, as well as Mugwanago, Brookfield, and Sun Prairie, Wisconsin. Milwaukee also plans to expand with a location in Cookeville, Tennessee, as well. In 2020 alone, Milwaukee will invest over $100 million and create 350 new jobs in the United States. In Brookfield, they've already grown from 190,000 square feet and 300 jobs to 390,000 square feet and 1,400 jobs. That's just one location. There are a total of 330,000 square feet of space slated to open this year, and with a recently announced 65-acre purchase in Menomonee Falls, it's clear Milwaukee Tool is positioned to stay in the heart of Wisconsin for the foreseeable future. So yeah, Milwaukee is growing, and it's good to see them growing and creating jobs here in the States. To make sure you don't miss any Power Tool news, be sure to like and subscribe, and catch us this Friday for the Power Tool Week in Review.